Hi crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about a knitting stitch, herringbone double crochet. It's a very nice stitch. If I spread it apart you can see it a little better, how it's got a zigzag pattern to it going back and forth. It's as thick and durable as a double crochet, I'd say. Same flow. It's quite nice. It would look wonderful on any kind of garment or accessory that you want to make. It's a nice stitch. So how do you make the stitch? First up, chain any number of chains to begin. So however many you need for your project, chain that many. Next, chain 3, and that will count as the first stitch. It is 3 chain stall, so this will count as the first stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain from hook. Pull up a loop and take that loop and pull it through the first loop on your hook. Then yarn over and through that one loop yet again, yarn over and through 2. And you carry on in that fashion. So yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, that loop through that first loop, yarn over through the one loop yet again, yarn over through 2. And you do this until you reach the end of your row. So this pattern is literally just 1 stitch, 1 row, repeat. You do the exact same thing over and over, which creates that wonderful herringbone effect. So I have reached the end of the row. I'm going to chain 3. This will count as the first stitch of the row. Turn my work, yarn over, and instead of going into that first stitch, I'm going to go into that second stitch because the turning chain counts as the first stitch. And you just carry on with this stitch over and over again to create this wonderful looking fabric. Thank you.